Hi, friends. Good morning to everyone. This is Murali Krishna, Department of Chemistry from DBS Engineering College, Kavali. Today I am going to discuss about chromatography tools. So among them, now we are discuss about HPLC. HPLC means High Performance Liquid Chromatography. Before going to discuss about this one, what is meaning of a chromatography tool? Why we are using this kind of the chromatography? What is the use of this kind of the chromatography? So before going to discuss about that one, the chromatography word is derived from Greek word. In Greek word, chroma means color, graphic means writer. The most important use of chromatography is to separating the mixture of the compound at the micro level. Even the size of the particle like 3 millimicrons. So in the chromatography, there are so many types of chromatography is always there, like gas chromatography, liquid chromatography, ion exchange chromatography, and so on. Among them, now we are discuss about high performance liquid chromatography. Now we are discuss about principle of HPLC. The main principle of HPLC is when a particle size of the adsorbent in a column is taken and it is used to improve the resolution of column at the size of the particle is small. The solvent passed through a column at high pressure by using a pressure pump when the particle size is 3, 5, 10 millimicrons like that. So when the particle has a narrow size distribution, that narrow size distribution is always is always generating the high resolution nature. So the main instrumentation components which is present in HPLC is like this. So this is the solvent reservoirs. It is the mixing chamber. It is a pumping component. This is a microprocessor and the sample injecting into the machine part. This is a guard column. It is an analytical column and then it is a detector. It is connected with the data processor display with function collectors. These are the main important components which is present in HPLC. So again you can look here. This is a solvent reservoir, mixing the chamber, pumping high pressure pump, microprocessor, sample injector part, guard column, analytical column, detector is attached with the data processor display and function collector. So these are the main important columns which is present in HPLC. After that, we can discuss the what is the main applications of HPLC. The main important applications of HPLC is discussed here. The first one is this kind of the chromatography technique is always used in clinical diagnosis of disease and disorder of a system. The second one is nothing but the HPLC tool is used in food industry as well as pharmaceutical industry. And also it is also used to separating the similar molecules which is present in a phase. And also another important applications of HPLC is this application is always used in scientific research area. This is the most important technique to identify what kind of the components, what kind of the properties of organic compounds is always present in a mixture. So these are the main important applications are present in HPLC. So after that, you can discuss the how you can go for separating the gas and then liquid components by using of HPLC. So suppose you take, for example, we will take the mixture of methane and then ammonia. When the mixture of methane and ammonia is dissolved in water, it forms a water phase. So how is the water phase is formed? When the mixture of methane and ammonia is dissolved in water, the ammonia which is present in the mixture is dissolved in water. It forms water phase. But the methane does not soluble in water. It means it is insoluble nature. So it forms a gaseous phase. Similarly, the mixture of the ammonia and then methane is passed into the column along with the water, fresh water, in the presence of inert gas like helium and nitrogen with other gases. The, the total gases is always form multi-stage partitioning occur. With the result, the ammonia dissolves in water. The remaining gas, steam, encounters fresh water and moves along with the column. The inert carrier gas enriched with methane and emerged first one, and then effluent gas containing ammonia, and it will be come out later. So this is the way to separating the mixture by using of HPLC. So look at here how the HPLC is working. The HPLC is working like this. The HPLC is advanced method of column chromatography. When this is the carrier gas input compound, the carrier gas introduced in emission from outside. So this one. So the carrier gas introduced into the mission, the rate of the flow of the carrier gas is controlled to give a clear separation of components. When the gas is always makes a sample separation and moves along with the column with different speeds. That is, different speeds is detected, analyzing, and recorded by using the detector. So when these phases is always travel along the column, the data analyzed and the data recorded attached to the mission draws the chromogram with peaks and related amount of chemicals which is present in sample. That all the data is displayed here. So this is the way to analyzing the sample by using of HPLC chromatography. Friends, so this is a simple note on high performance liquid chromatography. Again we will meet tomorrow onwards with different topic. Thank you very much.